Hi all, welcome back to our channel All in One Dolly. Like, share and subscribe. Click bell icon and all for further notifications. This is our Facebook page, link given in description. Click and follow. Hi children, today we are going to learn about alphabets and words which are made with pebble stones. Very interesting topic. Don't skip the video. This is our Instagram page, link given in description. Please click the link and follow our Instagram page. Let's start our video. This is alphabet A, which are made with pebble stones. A for apple. A for apple. Next, B. B for, just guess, B for ball. B for ball. Don't skip the video. Very interesting topic. Please don't skip the video. This is C. Next alphabet C. C for cat. What is C? C for cat. Next alphabet D. D for, guess. D for dog. D for dog. Pronounce with me. D for dog. Next alphabet E. E, which is made with pebble stones. E for elephant. E for elephant. Pronounce with me children. E for elephant. Next alphabet F. F for frog. What is F? F for frog. In our channel, alphabets video is also there. Link given in description. Just click once. This is G. Next alphabet is G. G for goat. G for goat. Very easy children, learn. This is H. H for horse. H for horse. Very interesting. See, this 3D image is looking very good. Next alphabet is I. I for ice cream. So many of children will love this ice cream. I for ice cream. Next, J. J for, any guess? J for joker. J for joker. Children, how many of you like joker? Click like button. Next, K. K for king. K for king. Very interesting topic. Don't skip the video children. Next alphabet L. L for, any guess? L for lion. Lion, which is a cruel animal. Next alphabet M. M for, any guess? M for monkey. Monkey. M for monkey. Pronounce with me children. Next N. Next alphabet is N. N for nest. N for nest. Very easy. Next alphabet is O. Next alphabet is O. O for owl. O for owl. Next alphabet is P. P for, any guess? P for parrot. P for parrot. Very colorful bird. So many of you like this. Children who will like this will like the like button. Next, Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Next, R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Pronounce with me children. Next alphabet is S. S for any guess? Sheep. S for sheep. Please like and share, subscribe this channel. Next alphabet is T. T for any guess? T for table. T for table. In our channel, only alphabets video is also there. Link given in description. Next alphabet is U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Next, V. V for, any guess? Children, any guess? V for van. V for van. Van is a vehicle. V for, next, W. W for watch. W for watch. How many of you like this video? Will please like this video. Next, X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Next alphabet is Y. Y for, any guess? Y for yak. Y for yak, which is an animal. Next, last but not least alphabet is Z. Z for, any guess? Z for, please subscribe children. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe All in One Dolly YouTube channel. Like, share and subscribe Instagram and Facebook page.